Hello and welcome. This is Chi Revolution along with the Crane Science Qigong Center bringing you a Qigong instructor directory that is free to create or to have a profile. And if you've got this email and you're watching this, then we've already created a preloaded profile for you. And I'm going to take you through the steps on how to set a password so you can actually go into your profile and edit a couple of things. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our email and go to the email that we just sent out. And we're going to click on set a password. Okay, and you're going to enter the email in which we emailed you at. Okay, and you're going to hit reset my password. Okay, and it says a link has been sent. So we're going to go back to our inbox. There it is. And we hit reset your password. And here comes the fun part. Make sure that you create a password that you're going to remember or write it down. Okay, and then hit change my password. And now you can successfully log in with that same email and the password that we just created. Log in. Alright, so this is what a standard profile looks like. As you can see, we have loaded some information into your profile. However, if you hit this little settings and hit edit profile, okay, you can go in and change a cover photo, upload another image. And let's do that. You can crop it accordingly. And then we can upload a photo of ourselves. Alright, so tell us a little about yourself. This will go right next to your name underneath. So I kind of call this like a tagline. Put that for now. Okay, our bio, wherever you have it, you can insert it here. It can be as long as you need it to be. And these are the pre-populated ones that we entered, but here you can enter website, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter accounts as well. And once you're done with all that, just simply hit update profile. Okay, and there you go. This is your listing. You can also go to my account here. And here's where you can manage your profile as well, or the back end, if you will. Your account, your display name, email address, in case you want to change it. Of course, you can change your password again here if needed. And you can always delete your account as well. If you want to go back to your profile over here, simply hit View Profile. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to use this little contact button up here. And you can shoot us an email with any questions you have. Alright, have fun. Thank you.